Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in. This poster from another forum wanted to know how to make a ghosting effect of your forefront model. So basically what we have here is a background of an ocean image that we found. And then we have our foreground image of our model, and it doesn't have to be on the beach. It could have been in a studio or anywhere else, because all I did was cut the model out using either the magic tool, the polygon tool, or in my case, I prefer an eraser. So I would click the eraser here and then grab a really small brush, like 5-point or so, and I carefully would erase all the way around her image. And the reason why I use a soft brush is because when you zoom in, the photos are kind of fuzzy anyway between the edge of the skin and the background. And this kind of makes it look more real when it's cut out. So after I cut it all out, what I got left with was, and I'm going to turn off the background layer, right there is just the model. So here she is on her own, and all you have to do is basically once you got her placed where you want her to be, you just go over here to the opacity and just bring the opacity down, and here we go. We got a ghosting effect going on here. See that? So it's whatever you set it to. It's really that simple. That's all there is to doing these kinds of photos. So I'm going to set this, I don't know, like at 60%. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need for this particular tutorial. And then I can place her over here or over here. Or I could turn her different directions, anywhere you want. And that's it for this tutorial. It's that easy. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.